Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this right here. It is a 10.1 inch kids tablet, learning and playing, but it means learning and playing. 2 years, worry-free guarantee. It is HD10 for ages 3 and up, and it has 32 gigabytes kids edition, and it is by that brand right there. So let's go ahead and get right into this. I'm gonna open her up and see everything that comes in here. I actually did get this for my son's birthday. His birthday is this month. It comes with a little user manual, and this is what the tablet itself looks like. So you have your charger right here, and it does come with the brick and everything. And then let me go ahead and take all the plastic off this, and then I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so I peeled up off the plastic and I turned it on. The power buttons and everything's over here. You do have a camera. Let me go ahead and take this plastic piece off. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up and everything. You have to connect it to your internet. You don't have to have internet, but you can do a lot more with internet. And then I do the parental control and everything to where I can actually see everything that's being downloaded. And it also has to have my password in it to be able for them to be able to download anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that up, and then I'll show you what it looks like in use. Okay. What do you think about that one?
No, I think about that.
So what would you say if I told you I got this for your birthday?
Okay.
This is yours.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
That's Scarlet.
Nope, Scarlett's is in the living room. This one's yours. What do you think about that? Want to sit by me?
Yeah.
What do you think about that? You like it?
Mm-hmm. I wish there was one in the living room.
There is. Watch. Cute. Play a game. I'll show you. See? You got your own. What do you think about that? What do you think about that? You like it?
There's nothing
You have to get some. So the awesome thing about this, you can install your apps. It has a ton of different learning apps where they can learn their ABCs, they can learn their numbers, they can trace to learn how to write their numbers and ABCs. It has a lot of really cool little apps and stuff that you can download onto the iPad so that when you're traveling, you have games to play. And you don't have to worry about being connected to internet, which is 100% awesome. What? What do you think about that? Are you excited?
Mm-hmm. Hi, I select letter.
So we're going to learn how to write A.
A.
So you go down.
Ah.
Ah.
Good job. Perfect. Amazing.
What's that letter?
A.
A.
For apple.
Ah. Apple.
Apple.
Good job. Now you can go next. Now let's do lowercase it. That's capital. Oh, it's B.
B. Baby bus. Music and piano. Sound.
So what do you think about it? You like it a lot? So as you can see, he really likes it. He has been begging for one of these, and I think it's really great because it has a lot of learning, different apps in there so that he can actually get a lot out of it. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.